Guys, this is where we are going. There's Kardang Monastery over there. This area is Keylong. Those are those beautiful mountains with glaciers. So let's carry on to the other side of the valley. Some bad roads in Keylong. What a beautiful village it is. Wow. Check out the view. Now we are on the main road, the highway. Wow. I can feel it's cold now. It's only 4 o'clock. It was warm and sunny before. Now all of a sudden clouds have come and it's windy and cold. Not so cold, but I can feel it now. Look at this valley, this beautiful valley. This is the Keylong petrol pump. जाओ भाई. Where do we go from here? So guys, this is the Dandi petrol pump. 24 kilometers after Shishu. This is the Bhaga Nadi, the river, and we are taking this road which goes to Khardang Gompa, which is 12 kilometers from here. There are many more Gompas. Tupchiling Gompa, Guru Chantal Gompa, Lama Gompa. Wow. And probably after 15 kilometers, we'll take a bridge from the other side and go back to Keylong. So let's start on this journey. Okay, now this is some serious stuff. We are away from the road. Slight off-road. It's not actually so bad. The view is a blast. This is the Kandi village. There's the old bridge. Wow, this is Lahaul. What a beautiful place. Next time I'm going there on my way back. I should better focus on the road now. There's a huge fall now. Better not look down. ये क्या जगह है? ये पतली सड़क है. I have climbed quite high quite soon. I can see some prayer flags now. Seems like a homestay over here. Or is it a Gompa? I think it's a Gompa. Yes, it is a Gompa. Wow. Isn't this beautiful? Wow, check this out. And that's where we are going. This place is just beautiful. There are growing cabbages over here. I think this is a Gompa. Old monastery. And we carry on these beautiful windy roads. Windy and windy, with white flowers all over. I couldn't have asked for more. I knew this place was good for a ride. Look at this. Huge mountains. I'll spend winter over here. It's so nice over here. And they're farming a lot over here. Some cabbages. They look like cabbage. Oh, further high I have to go. Higher and higher we go. Ah, this is truly wild. Check this out, guys. I don't have enough time to stop. There are no vehicles over here, not even a two-wheeler. Somewhat surprising. Maybe there are very few people who live here. So one guy mending some water pipes. Every corner is a surprise. I mean, the view is amazing. Careful now. There's the river. I think it's the Bhaga river, which later becomes Chandrabhaga. Better drive in the middle of the road. I'm not sure about the corners. Oh my god, the fall is too huge. The river is so much far below. Road is okay, it's not too bad. Why I'm on fourth gear? Amazing! That's Keylong over there, where I've been staying. There are blind turns everywhere, but I'm not expecting any traffic from the other side. So cool. And I'm in no rush to drive fast. I don't trust these roads. This is my first time here. ये रोड हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आई. I've been recording. Oh, there's another bridge down there. Wow, I didn't see that. Check that out. There's another bridge which can connect to Keylong, and I don't have to go all the way back to Tandi. Okay, looks good too. But my destination is over there, right over there. I want to check that out. What place is that? If it's a hotel, a resort, a homestay, and if it is, I'll stay there for a while. On my way back, of course, I have to go to Leh tomorrow. And the glacier. Better look on the road. Always look on the bright side of life. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. Some beautiful serene villages with farms. Oh, the smell is so nice. Oh, it smells like heaven. And little bit of charcoal in the sun. Always look on the bright side of life. Nice mountain water. You can drink directly. Small village. Small, nice and beautiful village. Always look on the bright. Oh, they are building the roads here. That's the way which goes to the bridge. Probably I'm not going there. Scary down, man. Too far high up, man. How come people live here? I know it's nice. I mean, imagine in winters, man. Swasth Kendra, a nursing home. I mean, a dispensary. I'm going slow. I want to feel it. Feel the vibe of this place. I wonder where this place goes, this road. Oh, who's calling me now? Gompa is up there. भैया ऊपर जाने के लिए इधर से रास्ता है. एक कच्चा रास्ता है क्या पूरा? चला जाएगा गाड़ी? ठीक, थैंक यू. हिमालय. Always look on the bright side of life. Now we are going further high up on a broken road so that we can reach that beautiful Gompa over there. I think it's a Gompa. Nobody can build a hotel up there. Wow, this is barely a road. Like a dirt track. Very high up in the mountain. मुझे एक तो ऑफ रोडिंग लगा देता हूँ. ओके. Off-road is on. That's Keylong. So called Keylong. Second gear. Bike is traction control is off, but surely Triumph Scrambler doesn't care if I switch off the traction control. It's happy to kick it in wherever it feels like. intrude with the power of the engine. I hate the traction control. ये कहाँ गए हम Hiya! It's like I'm riding a horse. A horse, you say? I love this ride, man. This is challenging. Somewhat. Still have to get to a bit further. I'm in second gear. Traction control is off. And we are good to go. Screw the video. ये कहाँ There's no wonder why people build monasteries so high up in the mountains. It's so quiet. There's no one here. No bother in the world. And such an amazing view. Plenty of sun, plenty of water. Crops to grow. I mean, at least vegetables to grow. You can buy some groceries from down in the city sometimes. Oh. Ah, look. These are the even the wild birds live here happily. Nobody comes here. Wow, it's only getting more and more better, more and more beautiful. Look at the wow, so nice, man. Wow, special. This place is special. I think this is Lama Gompa Monastery. Are these flowers wild? I mean, they look amazing. It's not even spring. It's the rainy season. Or the summer season. No, the summer. There's no rain here. Luckily, it doesn't rain here so often. Otherwise, this will be a mud track instead of a dirt track. Oh, check this out, man. Such a nice view. I bet it must be cold here in the night. I'm so high up. I'm almost touching the peaks. Those giant peaks. And here we are. Oh my god, it's so far down. I wasn't expecting this sudden end to the road. Such a narrow patch, I can't even move my motorcycle from here. Everything is so down. I think it's Hala Monastery. I better cut off the engine. Check it out. Looks nice. Why is everything so?